Dear students, in this video we are going to study about the methods of separation of mixtures. In the last two videos we studied about hand picking, winnowing, sieving, magnetic separation, separation of immiscible liquids, filtration, sedimentation and decantation, churning, etc. In today's video, we are going to study about the distillation, the simple distillation that is given in textbook. Students, in the process of distillation, the water along with the soluble and insoluble impurities allowed to heat, or it is allowed to evaporate in a big column, and in this method the water gets evaporated, the steam comes out to flask, a tube is fitted with a cork. Through the tube the steam or the hot water vapor comes out, and this tube is connected to a condenser where cool water is flowing. A current of cool water is there, and that is known as the condenser. When the water vapor passes through the condenser, it undergoes the process of condensation. Then the water vapor cools and becomes small drops of water, and these drops of water collects in a beaker, and the water, the purest form of water that is collected in the beaker, that is known as the distillate. This water is used in car batteries, injections and also for making medicines because it does not contain any germs. So children, that is the method of distillation. In this method of dissolution and evaporation, this is the method of dissolution and evaporation. Children, two types of impurities are there in the liquid. One is soluble impurity and the second one is insoluble impurities. Children, the mixture that contain salt and sand, that is dissolved in water. Salt is the soluble impurity and sand is the insoluble impurity. It is mixed in water, dissolved in water. The sand will not dissolve and the mixture is heated. Firstly, the mixture is heated. Mixture is warmed and doing the process of filtration. When doing the process of filtration, we studied the process of filtration by using a filter paper. In the last video, the water along with the salt, actually that is salt solution, a solution of salt in water, because we stirred the salt and sand mixture in water. So we poured the mixture on the filter paper. The water molecules along with the salt, that means the solution of salt and water, that passes through the holes of the filter paper, and the salt solution collects in a bowl. The sand is remaining in the filter paper, that is the residue. It can be dried and separated. And the salt solution that is obtained after the filtration, when it is heated, it is changed into salt. The water gets evaporated and the crystals of salt we can obtain. This method is known as dissolution and evaporation. This is the method used when the impurities, one is soluble impurity and the another one is the insoluble impurity, or the solid mixture in which one solid is a soluble one, another solid is the insoluble one. Then students, now we are going to study about the process of crystallization. We are adding a solute in a solvent. We keep on adding the solute into the solvent. For example, water is the solvent and the sugar is the solute. We goes on adding sugar into water. A stage comes in which we cannot add any more sugar into the water. That is called a concentrated solution. And a thread that is tied to a pencil, that is hanged above the pencil is kept above a beaker and the thread is allowed to dip in the solution. Some water evaporates and within 2 days we can start, the crystal started to form around the thread. That is known as crystallization. The candies, sugar candies are made by using this method of crystallization. Children, the salt that is made, how it is made? Anytime did you think it? The salt is made from seawater. We know that seawater that contain large quantities of salt. It is allowed to stand in the shallow ponds. The water is evaporated from these small shallow ponds. The water is lost by evaporation and the salt remains. This salt is purified. It is packed and added with a substance called sodium iodate. Sodium iodate is added to the purified water. It is powdered also sometimes. This salt is known as iodized salt. The iodized salt is used to prevent the disease goiter, because due to the deficiency of iodine, the disease goiter occurs. Sodium iodate that is added in the salt provide iodine to the people who consume it. So students, that is the process of evaporation that is used for separating the soluble impurity or the soluble substance such as salt from a mixture. So salt is made by the method of evaporation. Students, we have completed the methods of separation of mixtures in 3 videos. I hope you understood all the methods of separation of mixtures. Thank you.